back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So Plum is turning 8 this year and they are going to have a celebration in their website, and they're going to have amazing offers which I'm going to tell you in a bit. It is a great time to get some products that you have been eyeing on for so long, because Plum has such amazing product to choose from. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some of the recommendation that you should be picking on this sale. So what are you waiting for? Let's just quickly begin with the video and let's get started. Before moving into the product recommendation, let me tell you something about the brand, because it's very important to know about the brand before you buy anything from it, and that's why I'm here to give you some information about the brand. So Plum Goodness के बारे में किसको नहीं पता? Every one of us know it, and you all know, including me, how amazing their products are. Plum Goodness is 100% vegan, 100% cruelty free, and also sustainable clean beauty, and also they have product across all skin type, and they're not only restricted to skincare, but also they have fragrance, they have beauty, they have skincare. So they have variety of product to choose from. So Plum has turned into 8, which is amazing. 8 long years of goodness that they have been providing us. So in this birthday, they're going to be a great sale into their website. So the sale starts from 1st of July to 4th of July, and in this span of time, if you buy the products, you'll be getting them in much cheaper deal, which is great. You can avail up to 50% off on your favorite products exclusively on Plum Goodness website. Apart from that, if you shop for $1,299, you can get a vitamin C toner along with a moisturizer worth ₹1,000 absolutely free. Wait, offer abhi bhi khatam nahi hua. If you shop above $1,999, you'll be getting a vitamin C toner and a moisturizer along with I Swear by Volume Mascara worth ₹1,500 absolutely free. And one lucky winner can get an iPhone 13 absolutely free every day. I'm not kidding, guys. The offers are crazy. It's the right time to shop, guys. Plum Goodness के product वैसे ही बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Along with the products, वो तो आपको मिल ही रहे हैं. Apart from that, you will be able to avail these offers along with it. And if you are that lucky customer, then you can get an iPhone for free, like iPhone 13. So इसी ऑफर का फायदा उठाते हुए I have got few of the products from Plum Goodness, and जो मैं आप लोगों को अभी दिखाऊंगी, and I'll also recommend few of the products that you should be getting from Plum Goodness, and you will not regret at all, because while sale now, if you get some recommendations, very much easier for you to get the right product. So उसी के लिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, and let's just show you what all I have got. So here's the packaging. This is the huge package, as you all can see. So I've got few of the products right here. So let's just unbox it and see what's inside. Inside that, I have got a cute bag with it, as you all can see, which is so amazing. And इसके अंदर products है जो एक एक करके मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, and you should be getting that too. So the very first product right here I have is their face wash. It's their Plum Goodness Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, and you have 75 ml of product right here. The texture of this face wash is a gel based texture, and it has little green dots in it which burst out to your skin and works, and you feel really refreshed after using this one. Especially if you're from oily skin type, and also if you have acne prone skin, then this face wash is really helpful, and I've been using it constantly in my day-to-day life, and I really love it, and you should definitely be getting this one from this sale. Moving forward to the next product that I got from the sale, it's the Plum Goodness Niacinamide Serum Clarity Boost Fragrance, and you have 30 ml of product right here, and it retails for 790 rupees. Texture of the product is a milky sort of a texture, has not too runny, not too thick. It settles down to the skin and works from within, and works on your acne marks and helps to brighten up the skin, and also leaves a subtle glow to your skin after using it. This serum helps to brighten up your skin and also clarifies your skin, and it works on your post acne marks, ongoing acne marks, and also works in sebum. So amazing. You should definitely be trying from this sale. Then the next product that I got is a body mist. It's their body loving body mist in vanilla vibes, and you have 150 250 ml of product right here, and it retails for 525 rupees. And the product is like, you know, like perfume sort of, and it's a body mist that lasts up to 2 to 3 hours on your body. But when I used it personally, it lasted for the entire day, which is the best thing I like about this one. And the smell is to die for. Like, it's quite a lot of product here, so you would need so much of time to finish it. It's pretty much safe to use on everyday basis. I only use it once in a day, and for the entire day I'm sorted. Then the next product I got is a shampoo. Look at the packaging, it looks so beautiful and refreshing. So it's the Plum Goodness Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo, and you get 300 ml of product right here, and it retails for 550 rupees only. So the texture of this product is a gel base. You know, I love shampoos which has a gel based texture. I feel that works much better in my hair, and so I just wanted to give this a try. If your scalp is also dry, your hairs are dry, then you should definitely be trying this shampoo because it helps to hydrate your hair, especially the people who are from the drier hair side. They can definitely give this a try. The next product that I have got is from the beauty range, Plum Goodness I Swear by Matte Eyeliner with Argan Oil. So you have 3 ml of product right here, and it retails for 375 rupees. Precise deep applicator, smudge proof and waterproof, deep black, lightweight and quick drying formula, SLS and LES free, 100% vegan and cruelty free. I wanted to give a shot to this liner, and the results are amazing. Intensity of this product is so good, intense black, and it's one of the best product that I've tried so far, and I really love it. So you should definitely be giving this one a try. So the next thing that you should be trying is their Plum Goodness ka kajal, and it's completely smudge proof. Just you have to apply it, and थोड़ा सा wait करना पड़ता है, like around 5 to 6 seconds to settle it down, and उसके बाद it's just आप rub करते रहो, it will not move from its place. One of the best kajal, so you should definitely be trying this one. You will not regret. Then the next product in the line is their Plum Goodness Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. You get 90 gram of product into this tub, and it retails for 545 rupees. The texture of the product is quite balmy texture, and once you just apply it onto your skin and in contact with the skin, it just becomes a little oilier. And if you apply a little water to your face, and it just works as a cleansing milk, it breaks down the waterproof makeup as well. So about this product, what can I tell you? Like, I have 3 of them, and 2 of them are already finished. So it's a must thing that you should be getting from this sale, and it's one of the best product that I've came across from Plum Goodness, and I would 100,000% recommend this one. You should be definitely getting this one if you are a makeup lover. And the last product from this mini haul is their Plum Goodness Avocado Nourished Up Hair Mask, and you get 250 gram of product right here. The texture of the product is quite creamy sort of, and just nourished your hair, like best hair mask that you could ask for. I've used it twice or thrice, and it makes the hair really soft to touch. So that's it with my product recommendation. These are the products that I've used for myself and I really loved, and उनको ही मैंने आपको recommend किया है, and ये सारे product बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, trust me, because I've used them personally. Let me make you go through the offers once again. So you can avail up to 50% off exclusively on Plum Goodness का official website. If you buy for 1299 and above, you can get vitamin C toner and a moisturizer worth ₹1,000 absolutely free along with your order. And if you buy for 1999, you will be getting a vitamin C toner and a moisturizer along with the I Swear by Volume mascara worth ₹1,500 absolutely free along with your order. You'll also be getting some gift cards which you can use in your future shopping to avail some exciting discount. Apart from that, one lucky winner can get a chance to win an iPhone 13, which is a cherry on the cake, and that is every day. And offer doesn't end here. If you use my code BDAY10, you will be getting an extra 10% off on your order, which is amazing. Like offers पे offers आप लोगों को मिल रहे हैं. So it's offer का chance उठाइए and just go and shop on this 8th birthday of Plum Goodness and spread goodness all over. Please subscribe to this channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.